Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will solve a problem from mensuration 2D. Here AOB is a right angle triangle. A quarter circle has been drawn by taking A as radius and O as a center. Here taking O as a center and this A as a radius, a quarter circle has been drawn. So this is the quarter circle. And a semicircle has been drawn by taking AB as diameter. So this is side of the triangle AB, and by taking this as diameter, a semicircle this has been drawn. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. So here area of the shaded region, is equal to area of the whole figure minus area of the quarter circle. Now find what is area of the whole figure. Area of the whole figure, that is equal to area of this right angle triangle and area of this semicircle. So area of triangle AOB plus area of semicircle whose diameter is AB. So let's find area of the triangle AOB. So you see, this is an isosceles triangle and a right angle triangle. So area of triangle AOB, is equal to half into base into height, as it is a right angle triangle. So here base is A and height is also A. So the area is half A squared. Now find area of the semicircle. So its diameter is equal to AB. So radius is equal to half AB, or we can write as AB by 2. Now area is equal to half pi radius square, that is AB by 2 whole square. So area is equal to half pi AB square by 4. Now by Pythagoras theorem, AB square, that is hypotenuse square, equal to base square plus height square. Therefore AB square equal to A square plus A square. Therefore AB square is equal to 2A square. Therefore the area of semicircle is equal to half pi. At the place of AB square you write 2A square by 4. So we get here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we get pi A square by 4. Therefore area of the whole figure, is equal to half A square plus pi A square by 4. Now find area of the quarter circle. So area of the quarter circle. So radius of the quarter circle is A. Radius is equal to A. Now quarter means 1/4. Therefore area of this quarter circle is 1/4 the area of the circle. Therefore area of the quarter circle is 1 by 4 pi A square, that is pi A square by 4. Now area of shaded region. that is equal to area of whole figure minus area of quarter circle. So area of whole figure is equal to half a square plus pi a square by 4 minus area of quarter circle, that is equal to pi a square by 4. So these two gets cancel out. Therefore we get only half a square. Therefore area of shaded region is equal to half a square, that is area of triangle AOB. This is the solution. Thanks for watching.